Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Deep Web with your boy Takedown Man. And today, folks, we are going to talk about TorTube. That's right. I know it's been a little while since we showed TorTube last time. The old owner of TorTube said that there was too many bugs to work out and so on, and that's what it was. However, TorTube now is pretty built up, it actually looks like. They offer everything on it except for any CP. You're not allowed to upload it, which is cool with me because, yeah, I'd rather not have that. But there is a little bit of everything on here, you know, like popular film animation, autos and vehicle, comedy, gaming, how to install, movies, music, news and politics, people and blogs, science and technology, and sports. All right, you can actually sign up for an account, I believe. I'm not 100% sure, but that is what I'm being told if you go to the TorTube thing here. But they're working on it right now. They're working on the APIs or something like that. So we'll see. We'll see what happens with it, right? But yeah, like I said, though, I mean, there's lots and lots of things on here. And I mean, you can go, see down here, TorTube. All right, so now we'll go to film and animation. And as with anything on Tor, guys, unless if you have got some really fast internet, it does take a second. So don't be surprised if it does. I mean, that's just what it is. Let's see here. I mean, it looks like they're just taking stuff from YouTube and uploading. I'm not really 100% sure, though. But it does actually have more stuff on it than it did before. So let's see here. We'll see if the search works. I have no idea what works on this site and what doesn't right now, to be honest. There we go. I got my malware bites popping up on me. But yeah. Oh, here it is. I think, honestly, it's just a clone of YouTube. Hey, there's that little gump dude. And there's that thing. Nothing. But yeah, there's that dude right there. He's like paranoid. Like, I remember that. I do remember that. Of course, killing time and all that good stuff. And yeah, the guy said like he messed up and he's gonna take care of it, but he never did. So I don't know, guys. But either way, though, if you guys want to find out about this website as well as some things that I cannot post on YouTube, be sure to check out the link in the, top right hand side. So yeah, I think it's this side because it's mirror. Right is left and left is right. But yeah, either way, up on the right side, your screen. So yeah. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. You will see the thing for it on here for the website and so on. Be sure to add .onion on the end of it, because if you do not add .onion to the end of it, it's not going to go anywhere. Secondly, though, make sure you use a Tor browser. Make sure you use a VPN. Make sure, if you know how to use Tails or some kind of Linux-based program. You need to make sure you have all these things set up to be secure on Tor. If you don't, I mean, a lot of the sites that I show, you don't have to be, but it's better that you are. Make sure your security settings are set too high, because that's what I do. Get malware bites. Keep it on, guys. So that's pretty much it for this episode. If you like it, be sure to leave a like. If you don't, leave a dislike. I don't care. Put a comment down in the description. And once again, this is your boy Takedown Man, just saying thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Mahalo. See ya.